again, when I write tangent 2x, I generally don't put the set of parentheses around it. Okay, I don't do that, but you're taking the tangent of 2x, so that all goes together. All right, so for starters, I got that coefficient of 15, right? So can I get rid of the 15 and pull it out in front of my limit? Okay, that's a coefficient, so I can pull it out in front. Okay, so let's just do one step at a time. So let's pull that 15 out. Then I've got the limit as x approaches 0, and then I'm left with the x on top and the tangent of 2x. Okay, now do you remember some of the properties that I gave you? Except this wasn't an official property, okay? But what do we need? What do we need so that I know what this limit is? What do I need to add to the problem? If I have a 2x down here, what needs to be in that numerator? A 2x, right? I need the limit as x approaches 0 of, say, kx over tangent kx. All right, and we know that to be 1. Okay, so I've got to get it. I got to manipulate it so that I've got that. I've got 2x here. I'm missing a 2. Now, I can't multiply by 2 because that would change this quantity. But I can multiply by 2 over 2. Okay, that's a form of 1. So I can choose to multiply by 2 over 2. I'm multiplying by 1. I'm not changing anything. All right, after you make a decision on what you're going to multiply by, then put the numbers where you need them. This 2 needs to remain inside here so that I've got this property. This 2, on the other hand, is extra. I don't need it. So this one is going to get moved all the way out there. All right. After I definitely know I'm multiplying by a form of 1, I can do that multiplication and manipulation any way I want. So when I pull this out here, okay, is it in the bottom right here? And it's in the top right here. So this is 15 halves because this is 15 times basically 1/2. All right, now I've got the limit as x approaches 0 of, now I can say 2x over tangent of 2x. And now I can say, okay, that right there I know is 1. So 15 halves times 1 is 15 halves. Okay? You gotta get used to doing this on your own. Okay?